Celery, the unique green-stalked plant, when bitten into, makes a crunchy sound that's filled with water and nutrients. Celery naturally absorbs sodium from the soil, making it distinct from other terrestrial plants. Sodium is an important nutrient, and most people get enough sodium daily. Celery offers natural sodium, while added sodium comes from sodium chloride, which acts as a preservative and flavor enhancer, making it easier to overconsume. Too much sodium chloride can raise blood pressure and cause bodily swelling. Sodium chloride is also known as salt, and is 60% sodium and 40% chloride. Both work side by side in our body as an electrically charged ion to balance fluid, pH, and blood pressure. A study on the antihypertensive properties of celery shows active compounds of celery, including MBP and apigenin, can help lower blood pressure by acting as diuretics and vasodilators. They can also decrease cholesterol levels and arterial plaque formation, contributing to lower blood pressure. In traditional Indonesian and Chinese cultures, celery was used as a safe way to control high blood pressure. When eating celery, keep the bottom white part, or the base or heart of the celery, because it's nutrient dense. The entire plant of celery is nutritious. From the root, base, stalk, and leaves, the base and root of celery has nutrients of potassium and sodium for electrical signaling to the nerves, as well as fiber and vitamin C for a healthy digestion and immune system. The stalk of celery has vitamin K that helps form strong bone density. It also has fiber, potassium, and apigenin, contributing to a healthy heart. The celery leaves have the most carotene and vitamin C, so the whole celery plant will have varying amounts of similar nutrients. Celery is mostly water too, and it's great to make green juice and smoothies with them. Great combinations to eat with celery is celery sliced into soup with the added fat of your choice. The fat can be from chicken or vegetarian soup with added coconut oil, olive oil, or avocado oil. Sliced celery can be added into salads and paired with provolone cheese. Or you can eat celery with peanut butter, or add raisins and make ants on a log. Celery is green, but has carotenoids. And when celery is paired with fat, our body absorbs the vitamin A eye-supporting nutrients, because carotenoids are fat-soluble and dissolve in fat. The chlorophyll in celery mask over the carotenoids that give the yellowish-orange pigment. This is why celery starts to turn yellow, as it loses the chlorophyll pigment during oxidation over time in the refrigerator. Celery is another healthy food you can add into your nutrition.